New homeowners and new DIYers are sometimes intimidated with electrical work, especially replacing damaged outlets. Look at this mess. They may see screws, bent wires, all sorts of weirdness going on in there. What if I told you there was a better way? Leviton has a brand new outlet that is literally plug and play. What if you could just insert your wires, snap them shut, and you have secure UL listed safety connections? This outlet can accommodate 12 gauge wire, 14 gauge wire. That is your most common wiring size for residential wiring, for lights and general circuits, for your outlets. Let's get to it. Okay, making sure the power is off. You can test it with a couple different testers. You could even try a lamp if you didn't have electrical testers on you. After you're convinced the power is off, of course, remove the old damaged outlet. All right, pull that out. Now, it doesn't matter if you have one set of wires or two set of wires. You're going to have the black, the hot, the white, the neutral. The new outlet will be so easy a kid can install it. We'll show you two different methods. Okay, with the old damaged outlet removed, you're ready to install the brand new, easy, quick install outlet. So the first method, you can just have your existing wiring and you can straighten that hook. Your new outlet doesn't have any screws. The wire needs to go straight in and snap it shut. So if you do have a curved or hook wire, you do need to straighten it out. You could try doing it with your fingers. That's going to be pretty tough. You're going to need some type of pliers to straighten that out. Okay, so black to back, it's literally color coded. This can accommodate the two most common wiring sizes, 12 and 14 gauge, black to black, white to white, and then your neutral, I'm sorry, and then your ground wire, if you have one, will go in the green terminal. If you have more than one ground wire, you do need to create a little piggy tail in the back where you connect all the ground wires into one connection and then into your green receiver there. So we've straightened out this wire. You literally are just gonna be surprised how easy this is. Straight in, snap it shut. It is a good tight connection. Now you don't want too much copper sticking out there. So if that is too long, you do want to trim just a little bit off. Stick it straight in, lock it on down, tight connection, no exposed copper there. Nice, good connection. Now for the second method, when you move on to the next one, if you don't want to mess with straightening out a curved wire, you can just snip it off. You could buy an inexpensive wire stripper and cutter in about a $10 tool and just keep it with you forever in your toolbox. So snip that right off, and then you want to strip back the insulation. Okay, there you go. That's a bit too much. I need to adjust that, but we'll shorten that up just a touch. And then nice straight wire straight on in. Whoops, black to black. Straight in, lock it on down, nice tight connection. Do the same thing with the white neutrals. Okay, straight in and clamp it down. Straight in and clamp it down. Neutral wires are in, hot wires are in. Now we need the ground. Okay, with all the connections tight, you are ready to fold the wires back in the box. There's no intimidation factor here. It is the easiest outlet to install. Okay, let's go turn on the power and test our new outlet and our new connections. Okay, now this is a Decora rectangle shaped outlet, so don't buy the traditional outlet coverage. You do need a rectangle shaped outlet cover. Install that, test your new outlet, make sure your connections are good. I bet you can do it yourself.